Class 12, the video I had prepared earlier, I don't know, it's creating problem in being uploaded because maybe of its length. So now I'm cutting it into two questions at a time. Okay, although I've already sent you the images of these solutions, but yes, there were some instructions I had to give, that the question 13th onwards, these type of question, application problem, okay, where they ask you to maximize a certain thing or minimize a certain thing, these type of questions, children, are very important from examination point of view. So make sure you're understanding them and preparing them well. Okay, so first few questions were simple. I hope from the solution you must have understood. Like in this question, you were given two numbers and their sum was given to you. So in all these questions, children, this kind of thing will happen. One thing will be given to you. Okay, one fact will be told that can be considered as a constant, and one thing you'll be asked to maximize or minimize. Okay, and then the thing that you have to maximize and minimize can have more than one variable, like is the case here, x and y. So what we need to do is, from what condition was given to us, we'll have to replace one of the variable in terms of the other, so that the entire relation is in one variable, and then we can differentiate the given relation with respect to that one variable. Okay, so that is what you have to observe here. Okay, like you were given x plus y, sum of the two numbers is 24, product is what you had to maximize, product we know is x into y, so I've replaced this y with the help of the given relation in terms of x. Now differentiating in terms of x, and then we know for maxima minima, derivative has to be equated to 0. Equating that to 0, you will be able to evaluate value of your variable. And then at that particular value, you have to check this second order derivative. Now this is where children miss on. Okay, once they find the answer is obtained from here only, that the length would be 12, and the other length from here can be taken as 24 minus 12, again 12. Okay, so children are happy that they've got the answer and they stop their work here. So please, you have to take care that you need to find second order derivative also, because the question is of maximizing or minimizing. So first derivative 0, you can have a maxima or minima. We are not clear with that. मैक्सिमा है या मिनिमा है, तो उसे कंफर्म करने के लिए ये स्टेप बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. Unnecessary 1 mark कट जाता है, बच्चे ये छोड़ देते हैं. Okay, so take care of that you'll find the second order derivative, you'll check its sign being positive or negative. Like you're getting your second order derivative, जो first derivative आया था उसको आप फिर से differentiate करोगे. 24 minus 2x differentiated gives you minus 2. Okay, negative value implies a maxima. Then your conclusion can be written clearly. Is it clear? So there were three more similar questions. I had left that for you all to try. I hope you've tried them, or if not, now you're going to try them. Okay. 16th one was also similar to this 13th, only this time the problem was of minimizing. Pehla wala tha maximize, yahan pe tha minimize. Okay. And they had said sum of the cubes of the numbers. So sum of the cubes. I hope you will have to frame a expression like this. Okay, so you can give this any letter out here, like sum tha to maine S bol diya, idhar product tha so I called it as P. You can give it any alphabet out here. All right, so and then the same story, you were given the sum as this, so you'll replace your y with the help of this, or maybe x, कोई एक replace कर लोगे. Okay, तो फिर इसको आप फिर से differentiate करोगे derivative, equating that derivative to 0, find your x and y's. Coincidentally, इसमें भी same आ रहे हैं, उसमें भी 12 same आ रहे थे. Will not happen always. You might get different solutions. Okay, so anyways, these were simple examples. Okay, and then next is your yes, that one is important here. I hope you've understood this as well, children. There was a square sheet given to you. In that square sheet, you had to cut off squares. So, जो shade किया है मैंने, this is the portion that we are cutting off. And then these will be your 4 flaps which will be folded up to form the box. Okay, so we had to maximize, minimize whatever the volume. Yes, volume was to be seen. So volume of this box so formed. So ये box का base ये बनेगा, ये जो dotted line से मैंने बनाया, this will be the base. All right. So volume of box is length into breadth into height. So length, the total was given to you as 18, and हम assume कर रहे हैं कि हमने x cut off कर दिया है, तो in between रह जाएगा 18 minus 2x. Then it was a square, so this dimension was 18. यहाँ से भी हमने x हटा दिया. So again your breadth is also coming as 18 minus 2x. So two of your dimensions are 18 minus 2x. Hence 18 minus 2x square into x. The height, you can see these flaps. ये flap आप मोड़ोगे ऐसे. So the height of this box will come out to be x. Right, so hence this is your expression. It was in terms of one variable only. You can straight away differentiate that with respect to x. I hope all of you know how to find the derivatives. Just check it out. Calculation is up to you. You can cut it as short as you can, possibly without any mistake, of course. Okay, then again equating that to 0, you were getting your x as 3. You are getting actually two solutions, x as 9 and 3. टू फैक्टर्स आए हैं ना, सो 18 माइनस 2x से 9 आएगा, बट 9 इज नॉट पॉसिबल, वी हैव टू रिजेक्ट दैट बिकॉज 9 का स्क्वायर कट करना मीन्स 9 फ्रॉम ईयर, 9 फ्रॉम ईयर, 9 2 ज़ा 18, ये पूरा बीच में कुछ रहा ही नहीं. ओके, सो दिस विल बी रिजेक्टेड. सो वी विल से x is equal to 3 is the right solution for this. Okay, then again you don't have to forget to find the second order derivative. तो जो आपका first derivative आया था from here, इसका आप फिर से differentiation करोगे, right? यहाँ product rule लगाना पड़ रहा है. So this is what you're getting, and this whole quantity is coming out to be minimum. If you do all that calculations, then you're observing that this quantity at x is equal to 3 6 are 18, 36 minus 18 will become plus 18, and there was a negative sign out, so in all this whole quantity is negative, hence that is a maxima. Okay, like that.